How long have you been here?
I've been here for 2 hours.
Where are you going after this?
I'm heading home after this.
What time do you usually wake up?
I wake up around 7 a.m.
Do you prefer coffee or tea?
I prefer coffee, especially in mornings.
How do you take your coffee?
I like it with milk and sugar.
Where do you work these days?
I'm working remotely from my apartment.
What's your favorite part about work?
I love the flexibility of remote work.
Do you enjoy working from home?
Yes, but sometimes it gets boring.
How do you stay productive at home?
I follow a strict routine every day.
Are you planning anything for the weekend?
Yes, I'm meeting friends for dinner.
Where do you usually hang out?
We like going to the park nearby.
Do you exercise regularly at the park?
Yes, I go jogging 3 times weekly.
What's your favorite outdoor activity?
I love hiking in the mountains.
Have you ever tried rock climbing?
Yes, but I'm still a beginner.
Are you afraid of heights?
A little, but I'm getting better.
How do you manage your fear?
I just focus on my breathing.
What music do you listen to while exercising?
I usually listen to pop and hip hop.
Do you like going to concerts?
Yes, I love live music events.
What was the last concert you attended?
I saw a band last month downtown.
How often do you attend live shows?
Maybe once every couple of months.
Do you play any musical instruments?
Yes, I play the guitar a little.
Are you taking lessons for guitar?
No, I'm learning on my own.
What type of music do you play?
Mostly acoustic and soft rock songs.
Have you ever performed in public?
Not yet, but I'd love to try.
Are you nervous about performing live?
Yes, but I think it'll be fun.
Do you sing along when playing guitar?
Sometimes, but I'm not a great singer.
What's your favorite song to play?
I love playing Wonderwall by Oasis.
Do you listen to music while working?
Yes, it helps me concentrate better.
How do you focus when studying?
I listen to instrumental music, no lyrics.
What's your favorite study snack?
I like eating almonds or fruit.
Do you prefer studying in the morning?
Yes, my mind is fresher early on.
How do you manage your study schedule?
I set small goals for each hour.
What do you do after studying?
I usually take a walk to relax.
How long do you usually walk for?
About 30 minutes in the evening.
Do you prefer walking alone or with friends?
I enjoy both, depending on my mood.
What's your favorite place to walk?
I love walking near the waterfront.
How often do you spend time outdoors?
Almost every day, if the weather's nice.
Do you like cold or warm weather?
I prefer warm weather, especially sunny days.
What's your favorite season of the year?
I love summer for the long days.
Do you travel during the summer?
Yes, I like visiting new places.
What was your last vacation destination?
I went to California last summer.
What did you like most about California?
The beaches and the relaxed vibe there.
Are you planning another trip soon?
Yes, I'm thinking about visiting New York.
Have you been to New York before?
No, it'll be my first time.
What do you want to see in New York?
I want to see Times Square and museums.
Do you like exploring big cities?
Yes, I enjoy the energy and diversity.
Do you prefer cities or countryside?
I like both for different reasons.
What's your dream travel destination?
I'd love to visit Japan one day.
Why do you want to go to Japan?
I'm fascinated by the culture and food.
Are you a fan of Japanese cuisine?
Yes, sushi is one of my favorites.
Do you cook Japanese food at home?
Sometimes, but it's quite challenging.
What's your favorite dish to cook?
I enjoy making pasta with homemade sauce.
Do you like cooking for other people?
Yes, I love hosting dinner parties.
How often do you cook at home?
I cook almost every night for dinner.
Do you try new recipes often?
Yes, I like experimenting with different cuisines.
What's the hardest dish you've cooked?
I once made a complicated French dessert.
How do you improve your cooking skills?
I watch cooking shows and practice a lot.
Have you ever taken a cooking class?
No, but I'd love to take one.
Do you follow recipes or improvise?
I usually start with a recipe, then improvise.
What's your favorite kitchen tool to use?
I love using my blender for smoothies.
Do you make smoothies often?
Yes, I make one every morning.
What's your go-to smoothie recipe?
I blend spinach, banana, and almond milk. Do you go to the gym?
Yes, 3 times a week.
How do you stay motivated?
Setting goals and tracking progress.
Do you meditate or relax?
Yes, I meditate every morning.
What's your favorite way to relax?
Listening to music helps me relax.
Do you enjoy photography?
Yes, I take photos often.
What do you like to photograph?
I love capturing nature scenes.
Do you use a DSLR camera?
Yes, I have a Canon DSLR.
Have you taken any photography classes?
Yes, I took a local course.
Do you edit your photos?
Yes, using Lightroom software.
What's your favorite photo you've taken?
A sunset over the mountains.
Do you share your photos online?
Yes, on Instagram and Flickr. Is that yours?
Yes, where did you find it?
Is this the right way?
No, but I'll show you.